Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I hope all of you are fine and studying at home, and I hope all of you are energetic and very much, you know, curious about your studies. I hope that you are serious with the studies and you are putting your all efforts to prepare yourself so that you can go to your next class with a proper result, with a remarkable result. Anyway, last time actually we were going through this chapter is done. This chapter is already complete. Last time we were going through the in the lab activities. Okay, so over here in these lab activities, we had done some activity, draw a scenery and convert it into a symbol. Yes, this was the one, lab activity number 1. So I had told you that you will submit, but I did not put it in as an assignment. So I am going to, this is an activity that you will make. Lab activity, lab activity 1. Okay, so you have to do this lab activity that I am giving over here, chapter 10, animations in Flash CS3. The activity over here is draw a scenery and convert it into a symbol and use it as a background in an animation where a bird is flying from one tree to another tree. Draw a scenery and convert it to a symbol. Use this scenery as background what we have to show in an animation where a bird is flying from one tree to another. In an animation where a bird is flying from one tree to another. Okay, so the same homework, the same thing as a homework I am giving you in your university as well, and but you will submit it over here in the Google Classroom. Okay, so this is also the homework for today, as we have to give homework on Monday, and today it is Monday, and this is from chapter number 10. This is the lab activity given on page number is 161. Okay, page 161, this lab activity is there. Okay, so same lab activity I am going to give you in your university. You will receive a notification for it. And you will try to accomplish it by 20th. 2 days are more than enough. Okay, so you will also receive this Computer science, P1A, P1B, P1C. Okay, submit through submit.fla file, submit movie file, not .fla. Publish it to the movie format so that it will be easy for me to play it directly. Okay. Okay, fine. So you'll be able to see this in your university as well. Yes, why some people are raising the hand? Yes, kindly, Aisha Wasim, you want to ask something?
No, sir, sir.
Yes, please.
No, sir, nothing.
You have raised the
It was a
hand.
mistake.
I think so.
It was a mistake. It was a mistake.
Okay. Nothing to ask? Okay. Yes, Hiba Imran.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
is this
please.
activity having any marks?
It is just a practical activity. Okay. So, as your convenience, you have
Okay,
to
and
submit it.
sir, okay, and sir, you have write instead of computer science, you have write social by mistaken in P1C.
In P1C.
When you are assigning the
Okay.
assignment.
Okay. Okay. Computer science, computer in P1C. Yeah, I think I selected over here. Thanks. Okay, I will make it correct. Okay, fine. So what we have to do today? We have to do another lab activity. Okay, we come towards our work now. So last time we had made one scenery. So when you have done with the scenery, what you are going to do? I'm just going to give you one example. Just like if I go to the Google and find out over here, picture of a scenery drawing in the drawing format. Okay, so let's suppose this is an example. We take one scenery, and then the objective is that we should have a bird which is flying from one tree and moving towards another tree. So there should be at least two trees available in the, just like we take this one. There are two trees. I take this I save it on my desktop. First, you just see this activity, then I will take the questions who are raising the hand. Okay, just see this activity first that I want to communicate you. You will draw one bird. We had seen the process of drawing pigeon if you remember. So I am not going to do it again. I am just taking one picture of the bird, bird drawing. Okay, we take any of the bird, but when we are flying the bird, so it should be in that condition, which is showing a flying condition. Okay, just like this one, we can use this one. Okay, we can take this image to try. I am going to save it on my desktop. I open over here the flash. One layer I am setting up as background. I'm going to file, import to stage. On my desktop, one image is available that I'm using over here as a background. Okay, this is a large image, that's why it was taking so much time. Anyway, what is the procedure to make it equivalent to the size of the stage? You know that when we click on stage size is 550 by 400. We will click on the image. We will also make this image 550 by 400. Okay, in this way. So now the image size and the stage size are equal. We will put it over here. We will fix it as a background over here, and now what I can do, from 1 to 50 I will press F6. It is available now from 1 to 50, from frame 1 to frame number 50. Now I have to take one more layer. I will click over here. I am renaming it as bird. Now I click on the frame 1. I will go to file. I will take import to stage. Now it depends on how it looks like, the image that I have got. Now it's, I think, looking good, but since it is a PNG file, so uh, right now you can see over here its position that it is a sketch format. Okay, so I have made it small. So if it is possible for us to fill it, if the corners are closed, then it is possible for us to fill inside, because we know that whenever we need to we need to put some color in on an object, so we have to take the paint bucket with some color and then we can fill. But since it is not a drawing, so that's why it is not accepting it as, but we can use it. This image is giving a look of the bird, but since it is a sketch, so either we will have to fill it, otherwise we are able to see it you know from one side to another side. So this is transparent, looking transparent. So we either you will fill it by taking, I just try it by breaking it apart whether it is working or not. So even in the break apart, I am not able to fill the color. So what is better, that I should take a image which should not be a PNG image. Otherwise, it is not going to create a good effect, because when the image will be transparent, and you can see across it, so it is not giving a good impact. We can take this one. Okay, just like I save it on my desktop. I come over here in my Flash, I delete this, I click over here, I go to file, import to stage, and I take this image. This is a large image. What I can do, I can make it small by resizing it. Now the white area is there over here in this image. This is a problem with this image, that it contains some white area. So in Adobe Photoshop, it is quite easy for us to delete the white area. But over here, you will have to remove the white area. Otherwise, the white area will also come in your animation. So these are the problems that you face normally. So what you can do over here, just like in Adobe Photoshop, if we make a PNG file, so it is quite convenient for us. But since we are not studying Adobe Photoshop, so what we can do, we can find out bird flying PNG. We will write over here bird flying PNG. PNG will means that the bird will have a transparent kind of background, transparent background. So when it will have a transparent background, so it will be quite easy for us to manage. PNG file is having a transparent background with it, so we are not going to see any problem with it. So we can take this kind of cartooning design. It is showing us that it is a PNG image. Yes, but let us check. Sometime it is written that it is PNG, but when we check it, then we come to know that this is not a PNG image. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to PNG image shows you the small white and gray boxes with it. Okay, we just take any other image. So in this way, you will be able to find, otherwise you can draw it at your own. File import to stage, download. Okay, now but you can see over here that this image is coming, but it is coming with the gray and white boxes, which is not an actually a PNG image. So you have to find out such an image. Of course, we will be able to find out when we will check 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So then we will be able to see that some image will be there, which will be PNG in nature, and then you can use that image. Okay, let me check this one. File import to stage. So you will find out some colored, filled colored image. Okay, right now I'm just using this one, but you have to find out such kind of bird which should not be transparent. You will fill it. Okay, so for example, it is if it is right now, if it is here, so you have to move it from this position and to this position by creating a twin motion. I hope you will be able to do. Otherwise, we have another strategy that in uh, in Adobe Photoshop we can quite easily delete the the background. But of course, all these students will not have. So you can draw your own bird. This is better that you should draw your own bird. Yes, Liman Khan, you want to ask something?
No, sir. Sorry.
Ibrahim bin Bakar.
Yes, I just submitted my project. It's a can you show it to the class?
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, just like what happens that over here, what we can do that just like this is an image. So using magic wand tool, we can delete the background by taking it on some new file which is having a transparent, transparent background. So this is not difficult over here. So what we can do, we can take just like this is an image, we can bring the image over here and we can call it easily. But of course, you will draw your own. Okay, in order to save the time, since I could not find any image of the bird which is not having a background, all the images are having the backgrounds over here. So that's why I thought that I should take such kind of image and I can delete the background. So we have got one magic wand tool using which we can delete the background quite easily, and we can take this type of image by saving it as png image file, save for web and devices, and of course we will be able to have a png image. Here is the option of the png. Okay, so using this technique we can apply this. Now let me include it. Now we check that whether we are able to convert it or not. Import to stage bird 2. Bird 2 is a PNG. Now you can see that this is not having any background. So it is a quite simple strategy, that we can apply. So what I am going to do, I am going to place it over here, and now we will make one twin motion F6 over here, and then F6 over here, F6 over here. So over here it is over on this position, frame number 10. On frame number 40 I am going to place it on this position. Okay, so when we will right click over here and we'll say create twin motion, so it is going to show you the twin motion. Okay, the bird is not moving the feathers right now, so the wings should move, so we can make an animation in that manner as well. But right now we are not doing it. You have to try it at your own. Yes, Hiba, you want to ask something? This is
Yes, sir.
yes,
Sir,
please,
I
please.
want to say we in a lab activity we have made in some chapter of Flash, we have made some birds. We can use that bird's
Yeah,
hair.
yeah, of course. You yourself have has drawn. What you can
Yes,
do, you can open that file and you can take that bird, copy it and paste it, because from flash to flash you can quite easily paste.
and sir,
So you are not going to face any problem. Yes, please.
if we take any GIF file, okay,
Yeah, GIF
and
file
when
having,
uh,
yeah, that is
uh,
also a good thing. Good thing. I
and when
I
and
got
when
your point.
and when we paste it, it's not changing its size, and when we run it, it will be original size according to original size. But how can we small it? But when we small it, it in original size when I move.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, you cannot resize it. In resizing, there is problem. In resizing, there are some problems, but when we take a simple GIF file, so you can see that, for example, if I write over here, bird flying dot gif. Someone knows about GIF files. I had explained you this thing earlier as well. The GIF file is the file where you can see some effect, just like animated effect. And this animated effect, just like this is an animated effect. So if we open such kind of file, I save it on my desktop over here, GIF bird. And now if I open it in a new file, and I say that file import to stage, but it will come GIFbird. It will come in its original size. Okay, over here. So now we are going to run it. So you are going to see that it is moving and it is showing you its movement over here.
There is not any way to resize it.
Yeah.
And
So resizing is not that much easy, because if you are going to resize it, what you will do, that you resize it at all the frames. If you resize it over here, then for example, take example. If you resize it over here only, over here you are resizing it, but on the next frame it is not in that size. So what you have to
yes,
do,
yes, yes.
select all the frames, okay, and then I think resizing can help us.
I'm also thinking that.
Yeah, on each frame, go on each frame, resize it. Go on each frame, resize it. Then I think so it will work, because each frame is a separate frame. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us to manage. Anyway, let me mark the attendance, then I will take the questions. Okay, let me mark
Thank
the.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So this is a due assignment, and I have explained you this thing. I have also put your homework in your university. You will go through it. Just lower the hands, and then I am let me mark the attendance. Okay, so we have got from Aris to Ali Raza, Haider Sultan, Mohad Muhammad Khan, Nabiha Siddiqui, Hasnan. Okay. Yes, Umar Jasim. I have unmuted you. You want to ask something? Umar Jasim. No? Haris. Yes, Haris.
Yes, sir. I wanted to say that in the Google, in the university, it is not allowing me to submit because it is an invalid file type. So can you assign it in the Google Classroom so I can
Which
submit it?
activity? The same activity?
Yes.
Yeah,
And one more thing. And
yeah,
one
I
more
have
thing
assigned.
that I have made my I have drawn my scenery and also my bird, and I made the feathers move.
Yeah, this is possible because on each frame you will have to move the feathers up and down, and then you will be able to see the proper effect. But of course, there is more work required. It is possible. You
Because
can move
you
them.
need to draw two birds at a time, one with the feathers up and one with the
Good,
feathers down.
good. I have given the lab activity now in the Google Classroom. You will submit the .fla file over there. Okay?
Okay, and let me
Okay.
submit it.
Inshallah in the next class we will see only this one. Scenery activity we'll see. Okay, who have submitted. Amina Mustafa. You want to ask something? Ibrahim bin Wakar.
Sir,
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amina.
Sir, I wanted to ask that, sir, if we draw a bird, can you do again how to let the wings of the bird like move?
Actually, in this situation, we will have to take two images. Simple method is that we should take two images. One image where the bird is having feathers closed, and one image where the bird is having feathers open. You can see over here, just like over here, you can see that the feathers are going up and down. So either you should make, and otherwise it is not compulsory, because since it was not there in our syllabus, so I did not teach this thing because it will take, of course, time to draw
Okay,
this
sir.
kind of thing. So it is possible that we can draw the bird in this shape where it is opening the feathers and in the shape where it is closing the feather. So this is this happens actually in this way. So otherwise, quite simple strategy is that, as I have told you, take a bird or
Okay,
draw
sir.
a bird which has open feathers, okay, and then just make an animation into in motion. No worries. Yes, Ibrahim bin Wakar.
Yes, sir. I wanted to say that. Can you show us how can we download the latest Photoshop, latest one?
No, I am not recommending you the latest one. Why? Because in your syllabus CS3 is mentioned. Okay.
But
Otherwise,
sir, the Flash is dead.
why?
They they
CS3 is,
don't use it anymore.
listen, CS3 is freely available because CS3 is not a newer version. That's why. And I had
Sir,
explained the procedure, and the video is given to you in your Google Classroom, where I have explained that how you can download Flash CS3 only, because in your syllabus CS3 is there. Otherwise, if you want to download the newer version, you can go to the YouTube mention over there. In the description, you will find out the links that the people have given for these versions which are available. Just
yes,
like
I know that, but I wanted to also ask that in the next syllabus, can you give us more up-to-date books? Because a lot has changed in the year 2020.
yeah, whatever will be there changed, it will be, of course, communicated. But right now, we have got this syllabus and we are doing this, okay? And
Okay.
I would like to inform you one thing, that your monthly test for January, its schedule has been shared in your WhatsApp groups. Chapter 10, this chapter that right now we have completed, this chapter 10 is included, okay? And the questions will come from this text, whatever we have studied. The questions will come from this text, okay? So these are the questions that I have already given you from this chapter. So what I am going to do, I am going to give you these questions as well in your Google Classroom. Hence, you should note it down and you should write in your notebooks. Fine. So this is the complete chapter that you are going to have in your first monthly test, third monthly test. Sorry. Uh, yes, Daniel.
Yes, sir. I wanted to say that we can also draw we can also draw the bird, and
Yeah.
we can use shape tweening
Whatever.
to do
Whatever.
the effect of the flying bird.
Normally, the flying will be done
Yes, we
using
can do
frame by frame. Frame by frame movement is done in the flying, because once the wings are open, then these are a bit closed, then these are a bit closed, then these are. So it is basically frame by frame. But it's up to you, whatever creativity you want to show. If you want to apply, if you have got some good idea about shape tuning and you want to do using shape tuning, I don't know what will happen using shape tuning. So then you can do it using that way. We will see that what happens with the result. But normal strategy is frame by frame, even not the twin motion. Even twin motion is not applicable over here. Why? Because the wings will be opened, you know, frame by frame these will be opened, and frame by
Yes.
frame these will be closed. That's why. Daniel, this point is not clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Haider Sultan. Haider Sultan.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I sent you the work of there was two tasks. You sent it on university, and I sent it you back. Did you receive it?
Fine. If you have done, fine. The main concern was that you have to write it in your notebooks. I did not ask that you should compulsorily you should submit it using university, but I said that you have to write in your notebook. But the flash activity that I have given you, that I said that you should submit it, because when you will submit, then I will be able to see that what you have done. Then,
Assalamualaikum, sir.